In this video, let's learn about the way that you create a budget in YNAB. If you are new to using YNAB and if this is your first time creating a budget inside of it, make sure you follow the steps so that you can create a proper budget that you can track. So let's head over to the app of YNAB. In order for you to create a budget, you can tap on this pen or pencil icon on the top right of the screen. Now, by default, whenever you open up an account of YNAB, it's going to ask you various questions. And based upon those questions, YNAB is going to automatically create these categories. Now, if you don't like these categories or these budgets that have been created, you can easily create a new category by tapping on the three dotted line on the top right and tap on new category. This way you can name this category anything that you like and then tap on continue. This way a new category will be added in. You can add in different expenses that will be inside of this category. Now, in order to create a budget for specific expenses, you can just tap on the option which says add target. This way you can add in a budget on a weekly, monthly, yearly, or you can also add in a custom date range for you to achieve this target. So if you select on a monthly basis, you can add in the exact amount that you like for this target. You can also select the last date that this expense needs to be paid off. So by the day of the month, you can select this option. And what you can also do is you will have an option called next month I want to set aside. And you can also change the next month's budget prior. Once you fill in this information, tap on save target and this exact target or your budget will be added to the expense that you selected. So similar to this, you can just fill in all of these targets on all of your expenses that are included inside a particular category. Like I said, you can create as many categories as you want, so you can sort out your budget evenly. So that was the process on the way that you create a budget inside of YNAB. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos relating to this.